भारतीय शिक्षण प्रसारक संस्था अंबेजोगाई, स्वातंत्र्यवीर सावरकर शैक्षणिक संकुल बीड अंतर्गत स्वातंत्र्यवीर सावरकर वरिष्ठ महाविद्यालय बीड संगणकशास्त्र विभागाच्या वतीने सॉफ्टवेअर इंजिनिअरिंग या विषयातील ऑनलाइन एज्युकेशन सुरू झालेले आहे. In this PPT, I am going to present you remaining part of the unit first. Remaining part I am a Sanjay Kade, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Swatantraveer Savarkar Arts, Science and Commerce, College BED. We have complete a unit first, definition of software, characteristics of software, category of software. Up to this point, we have completed 3 points, and next points are software engineering, software process, general principle, and software myth. Now today we discuss web app. Web, you know, web app means what? It is simply called a web application. You know, a system application, application program, system software. In this way, there is one technology used online, simply called the web application, or it is simply called the web app. What is it? Is an application software. Web is an application software that runs on the web server. Server means what? Who gives the service to client. Who gives the service to client, that is simply called the server. So web server, unlike computer based programs, that are stored locally on the operating system of the device, that is simply called the web server. Now, web applications are accessed by the user. Web applications are accessed by the user. We are the users, and we want to access the web app. What do we do? Users through a web browsers. You know, there are a lot of web browsers in the world. In our computer field, upgraded web browser is nothing but the Google Chrome. With the help of Google Chrome, we access internet. That is simply called the web browser. With an active internet connections. So there are so many type of connections: broadband connections, Wi-Fi, Li-Fi. So that are the different types of networks that is the properly used for internet connections. And these applications are programmed using a client server modeled structures. Client server modeled structure. Who is called the client? Users are the clients. The name of in this era, web application era, the user is provided service through an offsite server that is hosted by the third party, that we simply called the web applications. In summary, a web application is an application software that runs on a web server For example, commonly used web applications include webmail, online retail sales, online banking, and so many things are the applications used today in market, used today in educational field, used today in different area of the world. So this is the basic things about web applications. Now we see the next point. Now we see the next thing. That thing is commonly called a software and its engineering. So what do you mean by software engineering first? What is it? What is computer science and software engineering? The study of theoretical part related with computer field, that is simply called the computer science, and that science is then converted into engineered part, that is simply called the area of software engineering. Here only development is done, not manufacturing. Only development is done, not manufacturing. That is simply called the software engineering. So it is an engineering branch. It is an engineering branch related to or belongs to only software, and that associated with the development of software, product using well defined scientific principles, methods and procedure. What are the scientific principles, what are the different methods, and what are the procedure used for that engineering is nothing but the outcome of the software engineering. So main outcome of the software engineering is an efficient and reliable software product. Final your outcome is a software product. Suppose you who want to develop a operating system. So this is commonly used to manage a whole computer manage a whole computer software. That purpose software, meaning that the system software is commonly used in the world. Now look at the correct definition that is defined by the IEEE definition of the software engineering. What is it? It is divided into main 2 points. What do you mean by software engineering? First part in that is that the application of systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to development, operation and maintenance of a software, that is the application of engineering to software. Here highlighted point, this is the point, this first point, the application of systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development of operation and maintenance of software, that is the application of engineering to software. And second one in that is that the study of approaches as in the above statement. Study of systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development. Study of operation, study of maintenance, study of development, study of disciplined, quantifiable approach. So that is nothing but the study. And this definition is defined by the IEEE. Now, another computer scientist, that computer scientist is a German scientist, Fritz Bauer, defines software engineering as. What is software engineering? Software engineering is the establishment and use of sound engineering principles in order to obtain economically software that is reliable and work efficiently on a real machine. Your software must have a specific task. While you are going to develop a software, then it performs a specific task that is defined by a German computer scientist, Fritz. Now, this is the standard definition of software engineering. Now, we look at the point software process. In short, what is it? So, what is it? It is nothing but the process it is also known as the software methodology. Is a set of related activities. Software process is a set of related activities that leads to the production of the software. Steps of the software is nothing but the software process, and these activities may involve the development of the software from the scratch, modifying an existing system. So this is the software process, and software process may include 4 activities. Software specification, define the main function of software and the constraint around them. Software design and implementation, the software is to be designed and programmed, meaning that specification and design, these are the 2 steps are very important. Specification, what is the requirement of customer, what is the requirement of a person, so that is defined in a specification of the software, and that software design is then designed that related to the specification, and that is implemented. Now, softwares are verified, softwares are validated, that software must be conforms to its specification and meets to the customer's needs. Customer needs are verified there. Customers and software engineer team communicate to each other and finalize the verification and validation. Software evolution, meaning is that after delivering the software, so there is a need of software maintenance, meaning is that the software is being modified to meet customer and market requirement changes. So this is the whole about the specific elements. And however, process also includes the process description, product, roles, pre and post conditions. So these are the different things related to your software processes. The outcome of then activity, for example, the outcome of architectural design may be model for the software architecture, and responsibility of the people involved in the process, for example, the project manager and programmer may communicate with the customer. So this is the medium.com website. You see the another reference point there, and 7 basic principles of software engineering are: manage using phased life cycle plan, perform continuous validation, maintain disciplined product control, use modern programming practice, maintain clearly accountability of results, use better and favor people, maintain a commitment to improve the process. So these are the different principles. They must be studied by the software engineer, meet with the customer and finalize your better software. So that is